Okay guys, so this is Fort Lauderdale Beach. Once again, part 2. I'm going to show you guys the water. Ah. Ah. Yo, it's hot. It's hot. So we got everyone out here, just chilling, feeling the vibes. It's packed out here. It's really packed. Oh man. Ah! Oh my god. Ah! Oh no. Okay you guys, so right now I'm on the strip of Fort Lauderdale Beach, Lauderdale by the sea, and it's really packed out here. So packed. Look at the water. You guys, I just went in the water and that water is amazing. Woo. I'm gonna show you guys the strip of the water again. Yo, I went job searching earlier and not a lot of the stores were hiring, so I don't know, but I'm gonna try to find something close by. I don't know. But make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna show you guys the way of the waters. And yeah. Oh my goodness guys, so much people out here, literally. Yeah, the water is amazing. Woo. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I drop a video. And yeah guys, just having fun out here on a bright sunny day. Woo! You guys, this is amazing. Fort Lauderdale Beach is the place to be. Woo! Yeah. Woo! Guys, the sun out here is nothing to play with. Literally, it's so hot. So hot. Oh, hey. Oh, sure. I'll take a look at it. Thank you. Aw, people are so sweet. Literally. Yeah, guys. So, I'm out here trying to vlog. And it's so many people here. So, I don't know how long this vlog is gonna be. Guys, I'm so tired. So tired. Let me put the stick on. Yeah. I took pictures today, so hopefully you guys will see my pictures. Put in a thumbnail. guys, I'm literally at the beach and it's like a big mood. Like they love my hair.
I don't have no bad comments.
Oh no, it's okay.
I don't have one even right.
I'm just starting anyway. Yo, people are so nice. I love it out here. Fort Lauderdale Beach. Yeah. Woo, Fort Lauderdale. Yeah. You guys, I was literally swimming for a good 30 minutes. The water's amazing, but the waves are like so disrespectful. But it's amazing out here, man. Fort Lauderdale by the sea, man. Fort Lauderdale. Ah! You guys, I'm literally about to go back in the water to show you guys. Whew. So fun. Oh my goodness. We got people over here playing some, well, they were, oh, football. Yeah. Woo. Hair's flowing in the wind. Show you guys. Putting onto my stick, selfie stick, because I don't want to drop my phone in the water, but I'm trying to give you guys some content. Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Wow! Woo! Ah! You guys, I love it. I love it. Ah. This is literally what I would do 24/7 if the weather was like amazing, like every day. Ooh. Woo! Ah. Fort Lauderdale Beach. I love it here. Yo, people are here out here just like doing their own thing, you know, with their friends and family. It's amazing, man. Woo. Woo. I wanted to show you guys like me getting wet. Yo, my hair looks like a lion. Oh my god. Let me stand up before my whole phone gets wet. But alright guys, I might end the video right here. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I drop a video. Bye guys. So fun. Woo. Yo, Yo, it's literally so lame for me to vlog. No one's around me.